Hello friends! Every day, we do different activities like waking up, getting dressed, and eating breakfast. But when we have free time, we can do hobbies, things we enjoy, like reading, dancing, or painting. Let's learn all about daily activities and fun hobbies together. Every day, we follow a routine. Here are some things we do. Wake up, open your eyes, and stretch. A new day begins. Make the bed. Keep your room nice and tidy. Brush your teeth, morning and night, to keep them clean. Take a shower. Wash away the sleepiness. Get dressed. Pick out your clothes for the day. Eat breakfast. A yummy meal gives us energy. Go to school or work. Time to learn and grow. Come home. Time to relax. After our daily activities, we can enjoy our favorite hobbies. A hobby is something we love doing in our free time. What's your favorite hobby? Reading. Books take us on exciting adventures. Singing. La la la. Music makes us happy. Painting and drawing. Create something colorful and beautiful. Dancing. Move to the beat and have fun. Playing sports. Basketball, soccer, swimming. So many choices. Acting. Pretend to be different characters in a play. Playing video games. Test your skills and have fun. Cooking and baking. Make tasty meals and treats. Gardening. Plant flowers and take care of nature. Taking photos. Capture special moments with a camera. Traveling. Explore new places and cultures. Wow, so many fun hobbies to enjoy. Daily activities help us stay clean, healthy, and ready for the day. Hobbies make us happy, help us learn new skills, and let us express ourselves. Everyone has different hobbies, and that's what makes us special. What's your favorite hobby? Let's do a quick recap. Daily activities include waking up, brushing our teeth, getting dressed, and going to school. Hobbies are things we love to do in our free time, like reading, dancing, and painting. Hobbies make us happy and help us learn new things. Thanks for learning with me today. See you next time. Bye.